As a homeowner in Gilbert, Arizona, maintaining the quality, appearance, and energy efficiency of your windows is essential. The extreme temperatures, intense sunlight, and occasional dust storms in the region can take a toll on your home's windows over time. Whether you're considering repairs, replacements, or upgrades, knowing the range of residential window services available to you is key to making the right decisions. In this video, we'll explore the top residential window services in Gilbert and what homeowners should know to keep their homes comfortable and efficient. Window replacement. One of the most common residential window services is window replacement. Over time, windows may become less effective due to age, wear and tear, or damage caused by the elements. In Gilbert's hot desert climate, the need for energy-efficient windows is especially important. Window replacement can provide several benefits, including improved energy efficiency, better insulation, enhanced curb appeal, and increased property value. Newer windows come with advanced features like double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, which can drastically reduce energy loss, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Signs you might need window replacement include drafts or temperature fluctuations near windows, difficulty opening or closing windows, condensation between the panes, cracked or broken glass, faded, peeling, or damaged frames. If you notice any of these issues, it's a good time to consider window replacement. Window repair. If your windows are still in relatively good shape but have some minor issues, window repair may be a more cost-effective solution than full replacement. Window repair services in Gilbert can address common problems like broken seals, cracked glass panes, hardware malfunctions, such as stuck or broken locks, warped or damaged frames. Repairing your windows instead of replacing them can extend their lifespan and improve their functionality. However, it's essential to work with a professional to ensure the repairs are done correctly and the problem won't worsen over time. For homeowners on a budget, window repair can often restore the performance of your windows without the higher cost of replacement. 3. Energy-efficient window installation. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners in Gilbert, where summers can be brutally hot. If your current windows are outdated or not properly insulated, you're likely spending more than you should on energy bills. Energy-efficient window installation services focus on providing windows that can better regulate your home's temperature. Energy-efficient windows typically feature low-E glass, a special coating that reflects heat while letting in natural light, reducing cooling costs. Multiple panes, double or triple panes filled with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, to reduce heat transfer. Durable frames, materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which offer better insulation than traditional wood or aluminum. Installing energy-efficient windows can lead to significant savings on your utility bills while also enhancing the comfort of your home year-round. Window tinting services for Gilbert homeowners. Window tinting services are an effective way to reduce heat, glare, and UV damage inside your home. With the intense Arizona sun, unprotected windows can lead to excessive heat and cause fading of furniture, carpets, and artwork. Window tinting can block a significant portion of harmful UV rays, helping to protect your belongings and reduce cooling costs. In addition to energy savings, window tinting can provide more privacy without sacrificing natural light, making it a popular option for homes in Gilbert. Custom window installation. If you're remodeling your home or simply want to enhance its architectural style, custom window installation is an excellent option. Custom windows allow you to choose unique sizes, shapes, and designs that fit your home's aesthetics while also providing functionality and energy efficiency. Popular custom window options include bay and bow windows. Create a beautiful, outward-facing design that adds space and natural light. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that offer unobstructed views and flood your home with sunlight. Casement windows. These windows open outward and provide excellent ventilation and energy efficiency. Custom window installation ensures that your new windows fit perfectly into your home's design and are tailored to your personal preferences. Window maintenance services. Regular window maintenance is crucial for extending the lifespan of your windows and ensuring they function properly. Maintenance services typically include cleaning the glass, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, and checking for any signs of damage or wear. Scheduling regular maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs or replacements by addressing small issues before they become bigger problems. For homeowners in Gilbert, regular maintenance is especially important given the harsh climate. Dust storms and intense sunlight can cause dirt buildup, fading, and damage to window frames and seals. Professional window maintenance ensures your windows stay in top condition, keeping your home efficient and beautiful. Whether you're looking for window replacement, repair, or maintenance services, there are plenty of options available for Gilbert Homeowners. From energy-efficient installations to custom window designs, investing in the right residential window services can improve your home's comfort, curb appeal, and energy efficiency. Understanding the benefits of each service will help you make informed decisions to protect your home from the elements and enhance its value over time.